Open the app, Canva app, then type WhatsApp status on the search bar, then select one template as per your requirement. Then go to the plus icon and get access of your gallery and select any photo or video you feel like to add as a status. Go to effects. If you're using photo, then you can remove your background by clicking on background remover. Go to effects again and use the text icon and change the texts, and you can also avail different elements by clicking on the plus icon and use it as per your requirement. You can get different text effects from text icon. Select any font you feel like, whatever suits you. If you need any further elements, then you can get it again from the elements. From the plus icon, you can get all the elements, text. Situate all the elements and then download it from the top right hand side corner, and your WhatsApp status is ready. Thank you.